Collaborate with other experts on books, summits, collective projects like collective videos, when people create the content together. So collective books become very popular way to collaborate, and this is how you are known with more strong experts in your niche. This is a piece of content where you can refer often. However, you need to keep in mind that many people will purchase these books or content not because of you, but because of them. But even if you are not that known yet, people will see a piece of content along with these very important authors. That's why these collaborations are very powerful and can potentially bring you some awareness. Yet, I would not say this is one of the most powerful methods, yet it's very powerful.